We will use the greatest number function property to solve this question. Question is -4 less equal to 2x minus 7 greatest number function less equal to 3. X belongs to z. Z means integers. You have to find this value, cube root of half of summation xi square. So let us see the solution. Here this is the inequality, and if you use the greatest number function property, which says that greatest function of x which is greater or equal to n1 less equal to n2, then the number inside the greatest number function will be greater or equal to n1 and less than n2 plus 1. This point you have to remember. Okay, this I will explain that. Suppose 4.5 is here and we are writing it as less equal to 4. That is okay. But if you remove the greatest number function, only 4.5. 4.5 is not less equal to 4. Okay, so we will add it here 1. And in this inequality, this side there is no problem. If suppose I am saying there is a number 3.5 which is greater or equal to 3, so it's okay, because when it comes out the number itself 3.5 will be greater or equal to 3. There is no problem in this side, but this side there is a problem. For that reason we add 1 to this. So now this inequality is correct. So we will utilize this property, greatest new function of 2x minus 7. So only this 2x minus 7 will be greater or equal to minus 4 and less than 3 plus 1. So this will become 4. Now we will add plus 7 throughout. So minus 4 plus 7, 2x, this will become 0, less than 4 plus 7. This will give you 3 less equal to 2x less than 11 divided by 2, 3 less equal to x less than 11 by 2. So you are getting 1.5 less equal to x and less than 5.5. So integral values of x between this range will be 1.5 greater, that is 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, because less than 5.5. So we have got 4 values. Now we will add it. Cube root of half summation xi square. So cube root of half, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. We will add 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25. It will give you 54. And half of 54, 27, and cube root of 27 is 3. Now come to the next question. This is also a very good question. Question is like this: x plus 2x greatest integer function and whole enclosed between the greatest integer function less than 3. So this is your inequality. Again we will use the property of greatest function, which says greatest function of x less than n will imply x less than n as well. So this inside term x plus greatest function of 2x will be less than 3 according to this property. So x plus greatest function of 2x less than 3. So greatest function of 2x less than 3 minus x. And also since this again greatest function of 2x less than 3 minus x, so only 2x will be less than 3 minus x also, using this property again. So this will give you 3x less than 3. So x is less than 1. So this is your value for x, that is less than 1, means minus infinity to 1. Thank you. Next question we will discuss in the next slide.